Hey guys, Irene here. I just wanted to quickly make this video to let you guys know that I'm going to be coming to London, UK at the end of August to host 2 workshops there. First one is going to be on the weekday, August 29th and 30th, and the second one on the weekend, August 31st and September 1st. My last workshop, which was in Berlin, Germany, I announced only on my Instagram, so this time I thought I will let you guys know as well. So if any of you are interested in coming to my workshop, I will leave the link in the description of this video. You can click it, see lots of information there, sign up. If you have any other questions about the workshop, feel free to leave me a comment under this video, or you can email me directly. Again, all the information is going to be in the description of this video. The workshop consists of 2 days. First being a lecture in the morning and then the shoot in the evening with 2 beautiful models styled by me. And on the second day, we're going to be doing some Photoshop editing, critique, and choosing the images, all that fun stuff. Again, some more information and some more Q&As are going to be in the link that I provide you guys in the description of the video. Lastly, I know that workshops are expensive and not everyone can afford them, so I will really try my best to also host a free meetup in London. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time for it yet, but I'm really gonna try to do this because I know that you guys love meetups. Any other new information is gonna be always updated on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow that. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!